Welcome back. In this session, we are going to see object versioning. Very important. Object versioning is nothing but suppose if you delete a file in a bucket, if you delete a file or if you update a file, anything it will store in your bucket in the form of versions. In the form of versions. Okay. uh, that is in real time we need to make sure whether it is needed or not. If you enable by default everything, suppose if you do any deployment, if you do any file change, if you delete, if you update everything, it will be storing, then your storage cost will increase. That is very important, we need to know that. Okay, anything you can recover, but suppose accidentally I updated, I don't want that file, I want to roll back that. Yes, you can do that, you can roll back. I deleted i deleted a file. Okay, that we can do that, I can recover that. Okay, now we are going to, one more important thing is, suppose if you have some files in a bucket, if you have a file or ever multiple files also, if you delete a bucket, you cannot able to recover. If you enable versioning also, you cannot able to recover that. Make sure if you delete a bucket directly, if it is enabled with object versioning also, you can't recover. Fine. And one more thing, object versioning is at bucket level, not object level. How to enable, how we can able to modify, everything we'll see now. How we can able to restore, how we can able to do that in GUI based and command line, both we have. Previously we don't have in GUI based, now we have both. If we have any interviews, you can say in both you can do right now. I'll show you in both right now. See, this is the website. Objects cannot able to recover from a deleted bucket, even bucket used object versioning. Keep in mind. Okay, fine. How it will be storing in the form of generation number. I'll show you that. Theoretically, it's not understand. I will show in commands. Okay, first thing we know how many buckets are there. We'll verify gs util list. So many buckets are there. I don't want it may confuse. I will delete this one. Gs util. Just you give this. If you don't know, delete means see here. Everything you can find out. What is that? Moving. No, I don't want copy. We have seen. And delete. Yeah, remove buckets. Okay, remove buckets. RB. GS util RB. Your bucket name. I will delete this one. See, it is removing. Done. I will delete. I don't want this one also. Does not exist. RB. Okay, same. I have given same name. right? That is the reason it is does not exist. Already it is deleted. Whatever is completed, right? This one. Okay, see this one. One more, we got some problem. Version, this is version bucket. Note, this is version bucket. So delete all objects first. I think this is enabled with versioning. How you can able to identify whether versioned enabled or not? That is also important. GS util versioning get your bucket name. Two options we have. If it is disabled, it will show suspended. If it is enabled, it normally enabled only. See, it is enabled. That is the reason it is not deleted. Suppose if you use GS util RB, I hope so. This is not enabled. I think so. It will delete before delete. Okay, delete it. Yeah, it is removing. Not empty. Okay, not empty. In this bucket, we have some objects, right? Version enabling is one type of thing. Here, I think so. Some files are there. If empty bucket, it will delete. If you don't, if you have some files, we have to remove forcefully. My project, anyone, right? Anyone, it is there. Refresh. Anyone. I think that is the reason. Okay. Now delete and verify. Forcefully also I'll show you. There should be one more thing. You're doing some activity in real time. You're doing some activity. We need minimum 30 seconds of time. It has to be updated. 30 seconds you need to wait. Some case. Okay. Very important. Make sure you can see here. See. If you change anything, whatever the change, if you are doing any version configurations, wait for at least 30 seconds between changing the version. This is also I'm saying. Whatever you are doing, immediately why it is not happened, this is recommended. That's it. One more. Now we deleted, right? Now see, it will remove. Yes, done. Like this, forcefully, how we can remove? Now see how many buckets are there. GS till RB. Done. I think we don't have. mm, Again, one more verify. See, bucket is not empty. Dev deploy VMS having some files. How you will come to know? GS util ls. Oh, inside we have one more folder. Okay, one more folder also we have some migration project, I think so. Let me forcefully will delete. See, lot of some migration project is going on. Let it be. I don't want to delete this one. Now one more we'll go with this. We'll try to do. We'll remove this one. GS util RB. I hope we have some files. I think so. Okay, this is version enabled. Later we'll see. This is also version enabled. It's not empty. This is version enabled. Okay, delete all objects. Fine. In this video, we have seen deletions of buckets. Coming video, we'll see enabling the versions, how we can able to see some more stuff in object versioning. Fine. Thank you. Don't miss subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my daddy's channel for regular updates. Click on bell icon.